Hello everybody, it's Phantom Phobia, and welcome back to another video. Over these last 3-4 years, I think I've gotten much faster in typing. But how fast am I really? In this video, we're going to find out how fast I actually am, and if I'm above average in typing or below average. In terms of typing, I tend to not use the home row keys, and I use my own method that I created when I was younger. That being said, I have gotten better at my own method and have gotten more efficient and quicker. I pretty much look at the screen like 65% of the time and at the keyboard the rest of the time. So let's figure out how fast I am typing. How fast am I really? Typingtest.com. Check your typing skills in a minute. Type away to join 150 plus million test takers. It's a 1-minute test and it's a medium test. Let's try it. If you can toss, holy mackerel, we need to start again. Although we see movie trailers before the actual movie, this has not always been the case, period. Before the late I hate the numbers. 1930s. No. This is gonna get me. Movie trailers appeared. Oh my gosh. Appeared after the movie. Oh, that was so bad. Typing speed 29 words per minute. 100% accuracy, that's because I kept backspacing. And 29 words per minute. We can do better at this. Focus this time. Extreme focus. Oh, I understand. So 36 is the average typist. I was able to type less words, so I was actually worse than the average typist. Now I'm one more score before the average typist. That's good. Let's retake it again. Saying it out loud helps. Medium text. Okay, let's go. Gotta get it closer to me and have my posture good. In the beginning, TEPSI was briefly the 6th largest military in the world. What? This happened when the Soviet Union traded fleets of submarines and boats to pay for all the soda they wanted to import. That's better. Oh, only bears and great apes. Oh. 31 words per minute, that's worse. Okay, so my best was 37 words per minute. I'm trash at this. Let's do it again. 37 words per minute. I just tied with myself. I'm fast-ish. Let's try that again. My goal is to beat my 37% score, and then we will try a different test. Oh, 37 words a minute again. Okay, let's do this. I got this! 39 words per minute. Can we get above that? 38 words per minute. 40, 40, 40. 40 the next test. 40 the next test. I got this. A blue. Yes, 41 words per minute. 93 oof. 93%, 3 typos. I think 40 words per minute is stretching it. Okay, so that's how fast I am.
How fast am I really?
I'm getting better, you know? I just have to focus, sit down and focus, and I'm good. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you did like it, leave a like down below. Also remember to subscribe so you can see more of my content, that which I will be coming out with soon in the future. I did record me taking a second test, but the footage ended up with my webcam frozen like this. I'm a T-Rex. It's not pleasant to have the rest of the video like that, but that test did call me a dinosaur. I'm going to work on getting better at typing. I'm going to create a follow-up video where I want to get a score of at least 100. And now that I've said it, I have to do it. Thank you all for watching. As always, positive vibes.